The Star TSP143SK is a sticky linerless label printer, ideal for fast-paced environments like restaurants and quick service restaurants, delivery, takeout, and more. It is the smallest 3-inch desktop sticky label printer on the market, and it can take a variety of thermal paper rolls, including linerless labels and thermal receipt paper rolls. Also known as liner-free labels or sticky back receipts, linerless labels are essentially thermal receipt paper rolls with a sticky adhesive backing. Because there is no liner to peel the label off of, they are more environmentally friendly. And they're also continuous rolls, so they are designed to be cut to any size that you need. Now, linerless labels are also repositionable, so they can stick and re-stick to various packaging, which is really great for restaurants, QSRs, to reduce errors, improve your workflows, and order accuracy. These labels are especially great for tracking coffee orders or drive-through orders or even allergen or exception orders. POS Supply Solutions offers our 3 1/8 inch wide by 165 linerless label roll with a removable repositionable adhesive, which is designed for the TSP143SK printer. We also offer Star branded linerless labels in our 3 1/8 inch wide, 2 1/4 inch wide, and 1.5 inch wide rolls, also with repositionable adhesives. Now, all of our liner-free or linerless label rolls are also non-phenol, meaning they are made without BPA, BPS, or any other phenols. Now, the Star TSP143SK can also handle standard thermal receipt paper rolls. So if you just need to print regular receipts without an adhesive backing, this printer can do that. So at POS Supply Solutions, we offer 3 1/8 inch wide and 2 1/4 inch wide thermal receipt paper rolls that will fit in this printer. And all of our thermal paper is BPA free, and we also offer non-phenol options as well. Now, a best practice that we recommend for the TSP143SK is to use printer cleaning wipes. Now, even though this printer is designed for sticky labels, over time, adhesive can build up on the print head, and it can affect performance. So we do recommend label printer cleaning wipes, which we offer designed specifically for label printers and linerless label printers like the TSP143SK. We'll include links to all compatible products down below. And if you're still not sure what you need, give us a call. Our experts are always here to help guide you. At POS Supply Solutions, we make it easy, and we're here to help you get the most out of your Star TSP143SK printer.